3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Michael Smith. We own Smith Cleaning and Restoration. We recently moved to the Anderson-Pendleton area. We've been in Easley for about 14 years, been in business since 1999. We do fire damage and water damage restoration, and we do commercial drying. We're licensed builders and certified through IICRC in just about every facet of home restoration. So if you have water damage, fire damage, smoke, trauma cleanup, anything like that, we're available to help 24/7. And we love the new area here. We've only been here about 2 months. We're here for the ribbon cutting today, and just very excited about being a part of this community. We live here, and that's one of the reasons we bought a new office facility this close to the Anderson-Pendleton area, and we're awfully glad that we did, and we look forward to a strong future here. Thank you.
Ray and Michael, we would like to present to you your first dollar of pure profit on behalf of the Anderson Area Chamber of Commerce. All the luck in the world.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
That's
Sounds good.
Congratulations.
Turn it around. There you go.